coming to you from Key West, Florida.
And you guys are beautiful.
Oh, look at my face. I gained weight already on this cruise.
That's why we're here.
Yeah, about 5 pounds.
I'm going to talk about how much is there.
Already.
Yeah, go this way.
We're on our way.
Well, no, where you guys going?
And while we wait that hour to be seated at Blue Heaven, yeah, we should have been out here at 8. We're gonna walk down to Duval Street, the tourist trap.
What?
No, the lens.
What about?
Oh, never mind. You already started recording. I forgot you don't keep it down.
Oh, we're doing a video, but yeah, okay. I mean, that'd be great.
Okay.
Key West, Florida, Duval Street. Turning.
Best friend at the time, Rick Ben, who was also my bandmate. We started our first band together. And let's just say we were having fun playing, but we were not making a lot of money. Not making hardly any money. We just played. So,
You married?
yeah.
We're working on it. I'm working on it.
Here, remember that.
We had to kind of substitute in our diet certain things that we took from the store.
Because it'll happen sooner or later. Good luck, man.
Thank you.
Oh, it's happened.
It's happened.
What happened feels like not anymore.
Oh, there it is. There it is. It's all. This is CVS too. Or am I tripping? This is CVS. What are you looking for? Oh, well, now we can't walk. Thank you. Sorry. Welcome. Welcome to what it is. coming down. Okay, cross the street. Thanks, guys. How'd you get over here?
Open now.
Oh, is that the shirt spot? You want to go over there? Florida. They claim to have the best lemongrass mojitos in Key West. So we finna put them to the test. Personally, I've never heard of a lemongrass mojito. Guess we gonna learn today. Just on our way back to the beach port terminal. Jump on our ship. Before we do that, we decided to stop and have the best lemongrass mojito.
Not a fan of the paper straw.
Not a fan of what?
The paper straw.
Oh, yeah, right. It's a lemongrass mojito at Viva Saloon in Key West.
It's more than just lemongrass in here.
How is it?
It's fabulous.
Is it the best Key West, the best lemongrass mojito in Key West?
I think this is the best mojito I've ever had.
Really?
It's not overly minty. There's lime in here. I think there's cucumber, mint. You taste the lemongrass, but it's not like...
Very refreshing.
Yeah, everything in here is super refreshing. The mint, the cucumber, the lime.
If there's alcohol in there, it's gonna go quick.
Yes. treat guests and some more seating. So cool little nook on the lower part of the retreat center.
Sun is setting right there. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I was a little creepy. Just pulling out of Key West. On our way to dinner, Tuscany Grill. Tuscan? Not Tuscany? Just Tuscan. Tuscan Grill. Italian steakhouse. Apparently. We'll see what happens.